In order to establish this communication, we need to use the output PC port, the RJ45 port shown here. One end is connected to this test kit RJ45 port, the other end I'm connecting to the laptop, the LAN connection. So the moment we connect, we have to do the LAN settings. So let us see what type of settings we have to do. We click on the properties, IP4, click on properties of IP4. It has to be set to obtain an IP address automatically. So it's a very simple manner. There is no need to verify what is the IP address of the test kit. All you have to do is ensure that you configure for a dynamic IP. Close this window, open the RTMS software. Click on use Ethernet. Ensure that the auto discover unit is enabled and click OK. A new window pops up. So let me press on this. Here the software is checking for the instrument, and you can see here SMRT46 serial number is detected. So click on this. It has successfully detected an instrument. So that's it. It's a very simple way of communication. So now let me inject voltage and verify whether it is reflecting or not. So you can see here voltage is getting reflected, which confirms successful communication.